Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. Now before moving on, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's move on and open your Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon on the bottom right of the screen. Tap on three lines on the top right of the screen. Now tap on settings from the menu. Now from the settings section, tap on account option. Now again tap on the first option, that is personal information. Now here you can see email address. On the first option, tap on it. Now remove your current email and type in your new email address. Now press tick on the top right of the screen. As you press on tick, confirmation code will send to your new email address. As soon as you receive the confirmation code, type in your code on login code box and tap on next button. Now here you can see my email address has been changed, and just like that you can change email on Instagram. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. I will be back soon with similar videos. Thanks for watching.